OK， 我哋而家喺天星碼頭啦。嗱，如果你係去尖沙咀呢，你就喺呢度7號碼頭上船嘅。跟住如果你想坐上面喎，因為 ferry 天星小輪有2層噶嘛，你可以喺呢度行上去，就可以上去坐啦。如果你繼續行上去呢，你就可以喺上面嗰度睇風景。不過今日呢，姨媽就唔係去搭天星小輪啦，好多時候我都係會搭嘅。但係今日呢，我係搭嚟緊呢一架。即係搭唔係小輪嗰啲叫咩咧？渡輪係啦 ，the bigger ferries for going further。因為今日姨媽去離島啊 ，Outlying Island 嗰座 island， 所以要搭大啲嘅船。So 咁啱有架船嚟緊，咁我哋就睇下佢點樣泊船啦，好唔好？係啦，咁姨媽今日要去4號碼頭，頭先我哋係7號碼頭係咪？咁而家嚟呢度應該係6號碼頭啦。唔知6號碼頭喺邊度？呢架船喺邊度嚟嘅咧？姨媽唔好知。我行快少少，俾我哋睇下佢前面係點先。你見唔見到啊？嗰度嗰個叔叔已經條繩準備好綁住架船。姨媽快啲先，睇唔睇到佢綁船先？加油，姨媽加油，跑快啲！好啊，我跑得好快，真係好叻啊！姨媽，俾你睇下佢點樣綁住架船啊嘛，係咪？捉到！要擺喺呢度。好，係同原來個船長係坐喺上面㗎。佢話 OK， 係咪舉手 OK？ 我綁。You see that big balloon on the bottom right there too？ 你估唔估得係用嚟做咩㗎？Do you know why they need a big balloon there？It's so that the ferry doesn't hit the wall so hard. It sort of cushions it a little bit. Yeah. 咁啊，姨媽就係搭呢一架啦，新渡輪啊叫做。咁我哋繼續行下先。我哋要去4號碼頭，去榕樹灣碼頭。原來呢個頭先係梅窩入嚟嘅6號碼頭。啲人落咗船啦。係梅窩，呢度係坪洲。姨媽同公公都去過坪洲行山㗎。好，我哋繼續行先。呢度有一架，哇！呢個仲大喎，呢一架船。哇！呢度有一架喎。今日個個都有搭渡輪出海，係咪 ？You see all the tires and the big balloons? It's all there to cushion the ship, to cushion the ferry.Pretty genius design. Okay, we'll keep walking. 呢度大家都可以好 chill 咁坐喺度休息下，係咪？對面就係尖沙咀啊、西九龍啊嗰啲咯。上面好似有個 slide 咁啊。Looks like there's stuff to do up there. It's pretty cool, right? 姨媽都唔係成日嚟呢度嘅，因為 this is...No more for tourists? Well, not tourists, but 你返工你唔會成日嚟呢度咯。可能有一日嚟再行下，再 explore 下啦，好冇？我呢度應該係去長洲嘅碼頭啦，係咪啊？呢個5號碼頭去長洲啊，冇錯。而家嗌緊咪去長洲。睇嚟姨媽要再行多一個碼頭咯，咁好啦，姨媽再行多一個碼頭去南丫島碼頭。我要去南丫島嘅榕樹灣。呢啲樹都好靚，係咪？呢度又有個 police car， 有個警車，我哋叫警察，所以叫警車。好。I walked up here because it looks like it was black down there. 就行咗上嚟 ，which is just as well， 冇咁曬，出邊好熱啊！好啦，我哋陪姨媽行到去4號碼頭，唔知呢個係咪我哋架船咧？我哋架船係1點鐘，唔知係咪咁早嚟咯 ？I still have to wait for my friends, so yeah， 好啊。 呢個係咪先？哎，我見到個4字啦，你見唔見到個4字啊？耶！好啦，我哋到咗啦，呢個就係4號碼頭啦，榕樹灣4號碼頭啦。嗱，you see？咁我哋要 make sure we get on the right side， 因為佢有2個4字，另一邊係索罟灣，一邊係榕樹灣，我哋去榕樹灣。好啦，thanks for watching with me，love you，bye。